My name is Guy Elston. I'm with WyreStorm Technologies, and we're going to visit a very famous bar here in San Diego, California that has our new NetworkHD IP technology for HDMI distribution. There's over 100 televisions in this facility. Each one can be routed to any one of 30 different sources, and they can put up any type of content on any one of the televisions throughout the location. There's 4 individual racks that are used in this facility. One here houses most of the networking equipment and some small monitors to be able to monitor what's on the different cable boxes and DirecTV boxes. There's another rack that houses all the DirecTV and Dish Network boxes. And the main racks house our NetworkHD product. With this project, we have our 200 series product where we have multiple sources to over 100 televisions in this location. So these rack systems will house up to 12 different components or encoders, and then also a control unit. So you can have up to 11 encoders and a control unit in each rack. We're using 3 racks here to house up to 30 different sources. We have 6 network switches that distribute all of the data through the building. We have video wall support, so there's 3 different video walls, a 2x2 video wall, a 3x5 video wall, and a 2x5 video wall. Each one of these video walls can be configured in different manners, all controlled through the Enado control system and the NetworkHD distribution system. There's several different configurations where we can feed any one of the sources to any of these televisions. This is the decoder that mounts behind each one of the televisions that receives the feed from the encoders that are over in the racks. Each video wall had to be wired with Cat5, and each television throughout the building Cat5 back to our main rack that had all of the network switches. There's 6 switches that handle all of the network data just for the televisions. Each one was 52-port PoE switch that was able to power each one of the transmitters and receivers for the video switching. And then there's also a controller involved, and that controller helps build the video walls and send all of the RS-232 CEC commands and switching commands for all the products in the building. Once everything was in, it was really just plug and play. You plugged all the devices in, and then we just had to name each one of them. And then we programmed the Enado, and the Enado controls the whole system. It's a web server, and from any one of the iPads in the location, they can pull it up and change the source of any television in the location or any video wall or the configuration of the video wall. I'm here with Lance Koo, Director of Technology for SportTech California. We're going to ask him a few questions about the project here in the sports bar in Southern California. Lance, tell me about the project and how WyreStorm was able to help.
Essentially, what it came down to is, we were based off a technology company trying to open a high-end Vegas-style sports bar. We needed to find a partner that brought in the level of technology for the location that we believe we built. After kind of examining and going over meetings with WyreStorm, everything kind of worked out very well because their technology was raised at a high level. And we actually liked the fact that essentially it was one company that was going to control the video, the switching, the control, and the installation with us hand in hand. So it was basically a good partnership to combine together.
So, and with the project, what did you like about the scalability?
The scalability was actually one of the key selling points because essentially we have up to 30 to 40 signals of inputs and outputs with 150 outputs at this current time. We like not being locked down to a standard 8x8 matrix or a 16x32, whereas tomorrow we're probably going to add 10 more outputs and next week 5 more inputs, and we love that we can do this on the fly.
Cool. And what about the ease of control in the system?
The ease of the control of the system is fantastic because essentially everything in our location is run from one iPad. And the ability to basically say, I want this to go there, is basically the touch of two screens. And being able to show people that, they actually enjoy it, and being able to train our staff, it's been very simple and nice to use. So when we did the training process, they were all nervous and scared, and essentially it was, what do you want, where it's going, enter. And they couldn't believe how simple it was.
Hi, I'm Yumiko, and I'm going to show you how I change channels. Basically, I can take any of our input sources and put it on any of our TVs, and I'm going to do that right now. I select the input that I would like to use, our source, and that source is going to be here, and that brings it up onto our screen, and there you have it. We've changed channels that easy.